You gotta back up, nigga, so we don't see you. Ready?
Yeah.
How you doing, everybody? This is Sonido Cribs, episode 1, Sonido Chucky. This is all my staff right here. This is Vivian. This is Gloria. She fell yesterday at the tocada. Sorry. These are my crew too. Kota, my DJ 1, DJ 2. We come inside. As you can see, this is my house. This is the dining room. This is the dining room. This is where we eat all our meals. You know, we have gatherings and sit over here. Pretty nice. As you can see, it's pretty decent for now. See, we had a Christmas dinner over here. This is where the food gets made, the kitchen. All right. That's my number 1 fan from Maribel, Sonido Chucky. So you know, pretty nice. You can see, as you can see, we use this every very often. We have our own chimney. This right here. We cook our beans. We cook our beans in here. Tomamos teca. This is right here the bangest thing I ever had in my life. It's where I get all the nasty stuff done. Sonido Chucky, you know. Come on, follow me.
I wanna go.
This right here is the living room. As you can see, that's my father. As you can see, we doing Sonido Cribs, you know? Los como ven en todos tus casas, todos los famosos. We doing Sonido.
Ay, no manches.
Sonido Cribs.
Tu gato, ¿cómo se llama? Sin cola.
Okay, no, ahí abajo. Well, that's later. Okay, come on. Follow me. My dad redesigned this. There's a whole wall right here. He made this look fancy, nice, like a hotel. Okay. This is the 2nd floor. This is my mom's room. It's kind of filthy, but it's in there, you know. Sonido Cribs. Alright, so. Alright. This right here is my sister's bedroom. That's my tia. That's my little cousin. Yeah, we kind of chill here sometimes.
My laptop.
Okay. Now, this one is where I sleep, jerk off, and all that good stuff.
This is where all the magic happens.
This is all the magic happens when I get my imagination right here.
Wait, someone's in here.
Oh shit!
Yo, they're taking a shit.
Come on, man. Who's the
Yeah, you can come up.
This right here is when I play with okay, con el Sonido Cobra, one of my best friends, Sonido. I got her un recuerdo. Y aquí tengo tu premio por acá. This right here is from Sonido Tlaxcayan cuando toqué con su aniversario. But they messed up. It was supposed to be to Sonido Chucky, la participación de Sonido Chucky en Tlaxcayan aniversario, but they fucked up, so it's okay. And this right here, I think is a Christmas happy birthday card from somebody a long time ago. When I was like 15.
Why do they care?
But, okay. You know, this is it. This is my king size bed. You know, it's pretty neat.
No, it's a mess.
This is where the magic happens, you know. I get a little working on. You know. That's it. I don't have a big closet. See?
Oh, his chinchilla coat.
Oh, but I do have chinchilla coats, so, you know, fur. Chinchillas come from Mexico. I hope you know that. That's it.
PS3.
Yeah.
Oh, and I got the PS3, you know.
And the flat screen.
My flat screen, 70-inch flat screen. I can see it from like outside. You know, play my games in here. Some old Mr. That's it. So, Sonido Chucky Cribs. That's it. So, cut.